Welcome to our channel Maths Hub.
The first question is 35 divided by 7 into 7 minus 4 plus 2. 35 divided by 7 into 7 minus 4 is 3 plus 2. 35 divided by 7 is 5 into 3 plus 2. That is equal to 5 3 is a 15 plus 2. That is equal to 17 is the answer. 15 into 2 plus 10 plus 5 minus 8 minus 4 into 3 into 2. For this, first we have to solve in the brackets one. 15 2s are 30 plus 10 plus 5 is 15 minus 8 minus 4 is 4 into 3 2s are 6. That is equal to, next one is we have to do the multiplication one. Next steps 30 plus 15 minus 6 4s are 24. So that is equal to, the next one is addition. You have to add 30 plus 15. 30 plus 15 is 45 minus 24. That is equal to 21. 15 plus 5 divided by 2 plus 3 into 4. First we have to solve in the brackets one. So 15 plus 5 is 20 divided by symbol as it is. 2 plus 3 is 5 into 4. The next is 20 divided by 5. The next step goes to, first we have to solve the divide one, then the multiplication. So 20 divided by 5 is 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16 is the answer. The next one is 50 minus 2 into 6 plus 9. So for this also we have to solve the first in the brackets one. So 50 minus 2 into 9 plus 6 is 15. 50 minus 2 into 15. The BODMAS first goes to multiplication, then the minus. So first we have to solve 2 into 15, 30. It's 30. 50 minus 30, that is equal to 20. The answer.